welcome to Tibetan Baker Adventures, where I share with you my baking recipes and my outdoor adventures. So a couple of days ago, I got to pick a bunch of plums from my friend's backyard, which I decided to turn them into delicious jam at home. Usually jams are canned, but today I'll be freezing them because it is way more easier than canning. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is wash your plums nicely. And the next thing you want to do is take the pits out, and I'm cutting them into quarters because I want my jam to be chunky. So I'm ready with the plums, and as you can see, it's very juicy. So I'm not gonna add water in it, but if you have a firm plums, definitely add the water. Grab yourself a nice big pot, add all your plums, sugar, and lemon juice, and let the mixture come to a boil. Make sure that your pot is big enough because once it starts boiling, it will start bubbling all over the place. Mix all the ingredients properly with spatula or any wooden ladle, whichever you want, it works, and then let it boil. Do stir in between, keep an eye because your fruit might scorch at the bottom, and when you see all the forms on the top, discard it with the spoon and let it keep boiling until it comes to the stage of gelling. It looks like my mixture is almost done, and the way you can check is take a spoonful of jam, put it in a plate, and let it cool down in a freezer for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you'll run your finger through and look for the texture that feels like jelly. My jam is ready, and I'm pouring it into a mason jar, but you can use plastic containers or even a Ziploc bag. It doesn't matter for a freezer jam. And you don't even need to sterilize the mason jars, which is my favorite part because you can avoid all the sterilizing and pressure canning. Jam is cooled down completely at the room temperature, and then you'll take and put the lids on top and transfer all of your jam to the freezer. If you're keeping it in the fridge, it is gonna last for a month. If in the freezer, it will last more than a year.